Hello, fellow artists. Here is a quick video of the pet portrait that is in my How to Draw a Realistic Pet Portrait course that I'm launching this week. Very exciting. So this little teaser, if you will, of how to conquer drawing white fur. I'm blending base coats here with odorless mineral spirits and a brush. I love how it gives such a painterly effect. As you can see, after it's dried, it looks great. So now now that it's dried, I'm going over it with highlights, and it's a great way where you can use your white on top of dark colors in colored pencil, which is really hard to do. So if you have challenges or want to learn more about how to draw white fur or how to get a realistic pet portrait, maybe you're looking to start a pet portrait business and to start taking commissions, this course that I'm launching this week is for you. It will go over in detail and in real time how to get the best realistic pet portraits with colored pencil drawing that you can. Again, I'm using odorless mineral spirits, OMS, here now on the nose. And when that dried, you can see how I'm going over with some browns and some more black. I think that's actually moon glow. I usually do black and then I'll do a blue color or a red color. I like to mix the black so it's not flat. Anyway, blending some more, doing some final layers here, getting the fur and last layer here on the nose and some shadows, and there you go. If you are interested in taking this course, please go to my website, mollysfineart.com. You can learn lots more information there and lots of freebies, free downloads, and I would love to help you on your colored pencil journey. So I hope to see and talk to you soon. Thank you. Happy drawing. Thank you for watching.